Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and we are in my luxury closet. Now, I know my closet is not the most luxurious place in the world to everyone, but it has a lot of things inside of it that are luxurious to me, whether they are high-end price points or more moderate contemporary price points. I try to find things that I love and put them here in my closet, which makes this such a happy place. I'm changing my name because we do more here than just handbags. And I chose my luxury closet 529 because 529 is my husband and I's anniversary. And he is the one who started me down the luxury rabbit hole by giving me my first luxury bag, the Louis Vuitton Berry. And here she is in all of her glory. So I am not shutting down my old email, but I do have a new email address, and it's myluxurycloset529@gmail.com. So really simple, the channel name, and then my Instagram page is now the @ myluxurycloset529. I was able to command the same title and email on all of the platforms that I'm on, as well as Facebook too. Although all that Facebook does is copy the posts that I put up on Instagram. So here in my luxury closet, we are going to have probably a couple of unboxings this week. I have a piece of jewelry from Effie coming that was part of an amazing sale that Saks off Fifth Avenue had running last weekend, I think, my birthday weekend. And by the way, that went really well. I went out to dinner with my family and we had sushi, and then we went to a pet store and played with puppies. That was super, super fun. Haven't done it forever with my boys, and my husband got in on it, which was the first time he had ever participated in puppy playing as a family that I can remember. He may have done it once a long, long time ago, but usually whenever I did outings with the boys to the pet store, I took them on my own. So that was pretty awesome to do for my birthday weekend. And then hubby and I went to a fall festival on Saturday, and then on Sunday we went and watched lots of basketball because the boys were part of a fall basketball league, and then went out for a nice Mexican dinner. And so that was in sum my birthday weekend. I've already showed you the bag that I got for my birthday. I also got a gift card, which was nice, and a little bit of cash from family that I put towards that ring that's coming tomorrow. So the bag of the day, and it's actually been the bag since last week when I got it, is the Josette bag by Dress Up Your Purse. And I decided to accessorize it with the Dress Up Your Purse chain and just the strap that the bag came with. And whenever Melody saw my pictures and my videos, she said, "Oh, I didn't send you the organizer. You need the organizer." So she did send me the organizer, and it is really nice. It's super soft, and it has pockets all the way around. I'm actually not really using the pockets other than I do have cash in one pocket and receipt in one pocket. And then I guess I do have a hand sanitizer in one of the side pockets as well. But I'm mostly using pouches down the middle and card holders and the like, and that works really well. She also sent me one of her M cases, and I asked for it in wine, but wine's all sold out. And so then I think I asked for it in another color, and that was all sold out. So they must be pretty popular, and so I opted for the black. And I'm going to be switching into my new Marc Jacobs, the tote bag. And with all your votes and comments, you all said that you liked this chain the best with the bag. And this is Dress Up Your Purse as well, kind of an oldie. And then my Louis Vuitton Cousin strap with it. So currently, if you want to go on the Dress Up Your Purse website, she does have different lengths of this type chain available. It sort of is similar to the Louis Vuitton Felici chain. So she does have some really nice chain options and different lengths that you can get to accessorize your bags. I talk about Next Fashion a lot, and I love Paul with Next Fashion, but Melody with Dress Up Your Purse does have some really nice chain in this type of link in particular. I don't think you can get other types of links separately. You may be able to get some of them by purchasing sets. Like I think I may have gotten this one with a rainbow metallic set of little pochettes, like a mini pochette and a medium pochette. I think it may have came with a chain like this, but don't hold me to that. So unless I've used a bag, I generally don't cut the tags off unless I'm with you guys and I know I'm gonna keep it. And when I do cut the tag off, then it's mine. And so it's mine. There's talk of some YouTubers out there like just buying to return, and I never ever do that. I don't buy things to return them. I buy things because I think that there is a solid chance that I'm going to want to keep it. I just don't have the option to go shopping for these things in person very often. I have to go on vacation to do it most of the time. So I like to get the item and not cut the tags off till I'm absolutely sure about it. And I'm absolutely sure about this beauty. And I thought we would use the M case with it as I move some of the items out of this bag. I'm seriously considering asking Melody with Dress Up Your Purse to design a pouch that's like this, because I can fit a pen in this pouch. It's just a little bit wider than the M case. And so it will hold my eyebrow pencil. It will also hold a small, it's not like a full-size nail file. I don't necessarily want a case that'll be as long as like a fashion file nail file, because you can get smaller ones. And this particular pouch, it is so old and decrepit looking, but it is amazing for just keeping things that could damage the inside of my bag away from the inside of my bag. And I continue to use it because I can't find one that's this length. And the height is really nice too, to have it be a shorter height, because when I'm in smaller bags, it just fits really well. So I'm gonna measure it and I'm gonna talk to Melody and see if it might be a possibility in the future to make something like this, because so far I have looked on every website I can think of and I can't find something this size. I am using this pouch for a compact. So I think I'm going to transfer the contents of this pouch over to the M case. So I have a lip gloss, I have a concealer, and I have that compact. It may end up being too bulky to fit those, so it's gonna bulge. I'm not sure that's what I want to do, so I'm gonna take out the compact and we're just gonna play and rearrange some things to figure out the best combo to utilize this M case. And this is the mini one. So if I were to take a couple items out of my old pouch, I would take out the comb, because that goes with freshening up, which is what I would do with the items I have inside the M case right now. Maybe a Tide to Go stick. Let's see how that fits. That just barely fits. Tide to Go stick is the width of the M case. So I've got all my liquids in here now, I think. This eyebrow pencil though, you can see it's just a little too long. It will fit if you put it in at an angle and have this end of it down a little bit, but that's not what I want to do. So this is actually pretty full like that. Let me see if I can find a few more items to stick inside there. Let's see if the tampon will fit. I should actually put the Tide to Go stick and the tampon at the bottom of the M case. Okay, so now we're getting closer to the top, because I just don't use Tide to Go stick. I use a fair amount, but I do use my lip gloss a lot. So I'm going to put the tampon at the bottom. Then I'm going to put the Tide to Go stick. Then I'm going to put the comb kind of along the side, my concealer, my lip gloss. Okay, so that's what that all looks like. I think that's pretty good. I mean, I've got a little bit of bulging, but this case is meant to be used, not babied, and so I am good with what I've got inside. So that is the first item inside, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the remainder of what is in this little flat pouch inside there. Then I have this little square pouch. It's another makeup freebie, and it will hold the compact nicely, as well as I'll go ahead and put a car key in there. And then I have this little card that has information about our trust, just in case I were in a car accident with my husband, then they would know who we were. Kind of dire, but It's always good to be safe versus sorry. So that pouch is full. Next, I've got my trio of card holders from Prada and then 2 Louis Vuitton clays. Here's how we're looking so far. So you can see here on your left, I've got the mini O case and my 2 makeup pouches. And then on your right, I have the 3 card cases. And I'm getting down to the end of what's inside here. The organizer inside this bag is by Zumani. I'm going to use the pocket for my little handbag hook. I have found that pretty darn useful lately, to be honest with you. I'm going to use that also for my AirPods case. I grab those a lot, so I don't really want to have them hidden in a pouch. In fact, they may end up just in the middle. And then I've got pockets galore over here. I'm going to put this pouch that has my medicine in it over there. Got my Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer that was given to me by my niece for my birthday. I'm going to use another one of those pockets inside of the organizer so you can see it's all filling up quite nicely. And the last thing I have is some cash and a receipt, and then my Josette bag is completely empty. Dress Up Your Purse has a little Bastia-like accessory as well, and what's nice is you can fold your money up in half. It fits in there. It also keeps coins from coming out because of the shape of it, and when you open it up, it kind of serves as a tray that you can look around to find the change that you need. So I think I'm just going to pop that right in, and I think that works better, to be frank, than having the long Felici, because the long Felici insert ends up cramping the card holders on your right side there. So there she is, all loaded up, ready to go, tags off, and I am wearing black pants today and gold and silver jewelry. And part of the reason I have the outfit on I have today is so I can wear the ring that I got in Greece, which is a mix of a rhodium, gold, and a blue sapphire. And since the shirt has a black background, it's sort of heathered, I thought it looked really good with the black pants that I have on, and then also the jewelry. The necklace is also by Effie, and I got this also from Saks Off Fifth for Christmas last year. If I can find it, I'll link it down below. But that is it for the Marc Jacobs, the tote bag in the small size. I'm going to go ahead and set her down. So thank you, Melody, once again for generously gifting me the bag, which I've already showed you, but I had not showed you the insert. It's super nice. I would recommend getting it if you pick up one of the Josette bags. Once you have the bag all closed up, you really can't see that the insert is inside there, but it does give it that little bit of structure while still letting it be nice and slouchy at the same time. If you want to save some money, my discount code is still HBHW15. Going forward, I'm probably going to try to do discount codes that are like MLC15. And so if HBHW15 doesn't work anymore for something, you might also try MLC 15 or 20 or whichever it is for that particular website that you happen to be on. I think that's all she wrote. I hope you've enjoyed being here with me in my luxury closet. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It is the @ then my luxury closet 529, all lowercase. You can also reach me by email. My email account is myluxurycloset529@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.